Today is January 3rd, 2018, and tomorrow, the 4th, we are scheduled to have a bomb cyclone. That is the official meteorological term, bomb cyclone. And I'm going to spend it in our room at the Edgewater by myself. It is the calm before the storm. If you consider this calm, which it is, the storm is coming tomorrow, Thursday. This is Nantucket Sound, and the surface of the sound is frozen. Little ice floes here. I have never seen like this. I've never been here when it's been this cold, but it's my tent room at the Edgewater is this one, the last one on the left. And I intend to ride out the storm there tomorrow. So getting ready for the storm?
Yeah.
Are you staying on the beach? Yeah, we're in that room there on the left. So it's going to be fun tomorrow to watch the
ice.
Well, let's see what kind of a blizzard we get, right?
Yeah. We'll see.
Have a great one. Be safe. Wind just starting to pick up. The rain started about a half hour ago. There it is. Birds trying to fly in the wind, ain't going anywhere. This is hilarious. All right, bird. Oh my God. Bye, bird. A lot of the ice melted. All right, stay tuned. He landed safely.
This is the West Reservoir that Dylan and I were walking on a few days ago. Yesterday it was frozen solid. It's still got ice on there now, but I don't think I would walk on it. And certainly no one's going to be playing hockey on it anytime soon. Or I shouldn't say that, because supposedly it's going to be back to minus below zero temperatures tomorrow. So this is going to freeze solid again. Just bizarre weather. I'm off to Paynes Creek Beach to see if the high tide did anything fun over there.
Okay, we are at Paynes Creek Beach. We have been here before many times, and today we finally have something interesting to see. That counterclockwise circular wind from the northeaster has blown all of Cape Cod Bay's water and ice right on up past the bridge. I'm sorry, right on up past the beach, over the breakwater, into the parking lot. There's one brave man sitting in his car. Hope it's a four-wheel drive. You see the water pouring over. It's just about high tide, maybe a little bit after. The water is pouring into the sewer. Some other foolish people like myself coming out here. It's much colder. You feel the wind coming off of the ice, making that wind feel a heck of a lot colder on this side of Cape Cod, on the north beaches as opposed to the south beaches. And you look out there and you see all of the ice Cape Cod Bay. So this is pretty cool. I'm going to take some pictures and then get out of here. Do not enter. I love it.
So my goal was to go to the harbor where we get the Sassuat Harbor, but 6A is closed because Paynes Creek has overtaken the road and the cops have it closed. I'm sure they're saying, who is this fucking asshole taking pictures and video in the storm when he should be home? And it's retired Lieutenant Labella from the New York City Police Department. Ha! What a dick he is. I know. I miss it too much, maybe? I don't know. I miss the fun. I think that's it. All right, guys, stay safe.
This is Bridge Street. This is the road we take to get to Sassuat Harbor. And I see bubbling coming into that middle of the road, and you know, I'm not Columbo or anything, but I'm guessing that's not good. I'm guessing that's, oh, the sewer, okay. So it's coming up through the sewer, the water. Obviously. This is the marsh. Cape Cod Bay is that way. That way. Actually, this is probably all Cape Cod Bay today. That's the restaurant on the marsh side where we waited a very long time. No wait today, funny thing, because it's closed. Oh, that's great. I like that. Okay, I'm feeling a little change. If you notice, there's some flurries. So this changeover is finally going to happen, I think. It is getting a little colder. I only fucked up once, where I tried to go through a road that wasn't closed, that had about a little less water than this. And this is, I would say, about, so it's about 6 inches of water. And I didn't wreck the car, but I was smart enough to go back the way I came. I didn't want to risk it. Most of 6A is closed. So we'll check in. We will check in. It's January 4th, 2018, around 1500 hours. I just got back from my room, and it looks like that the tide is still pretty high here. Water's coming up. But it's almost like the wind is blowing against the tide, so it's pushing the water back out. Just as the wind was pushing the ice up onto the beach, because it was blowing from the north in a southerly direction, looks like it's blowing the water out. So we won't get any flooding on Nantucket Sound today. And I will be hanging out in the room the rest of the day with periodic updates. Hopefully it changes to snow. Well, this changing to snow, and we get a little something more interesting. I know back home they have like 6 inches already with blizzards and near whiteout conditions. But here I am. Here I will be later on. I'm going to sit in this tub and soak and look at the beach. So who's got it better than me? That would have been fun if I fell back and killed myself. They found his body dead in the tub. Alone. That would be the saddest part. Oh well, see you later. Well, if you notice, the emergency lights are on. So it is 4:45, and it is dark. No lights in my jacuzzi. Oh, that smoke alarm is going to be the killer. Well, I won't freeze. I will not freeze because I have a gas fireplace. I'll put earplugs in my ears for the smoke detector. And I turn the computer off. So we're good. We're good. I'll just... no movie tonight, though. No movie tonight. My God. What am I going to do? Well, I'm going to take my bath and drink some wine. And I guess I don't know. I can't even read because this is fucked up. I can't read because all of my books are like on digital. And I don't have battery chargers. Huh? C'est la vie. Okay, this is my view. Those are the windows overlooking the sound. Light from the fireplace doesn't really extend much. All I have is that. Hear that? The wind? It is pretty cool, but it's going to get old very, very quickly. Good night, everybody. So, this is Cape Cod at night. It sends all but emergency light from the neighboring property. Can't see very much. The wind is still from the north to the south, and it's not snow at all. It's still very wet ice, maybe the worst. It feels more like just very, very cold rain. I'm going to try to put on the light, see what we get. Okay, so this is with the light. cannot see the ocean. I can't see the ocean. But it is pretty cool that you see the precipitation. Well, it's almost 9 o'clock. I'm going to actually go to bed. And hopefully, if I wake up at 4 in the morning, there'll be power. If not, I'll be getting in my car and driving to the nearest town that has power. Good night, everybody. Okay, it is 7:15 p.m. Power's back on, and I'm going to share this with you because this is how hooked we are on technology. I swear to God, I thought it was 4 or 5 hours since the power went out, and it went out at 4:45, a quarter to 5, 5:45, 6:45. It was 2 hours and 25 minutes. And it felt to me like the power was out for 5 hours. That's pretty wild, and it says a lot about me and my mental stability, and it says a lot about what kind of pacifiers that we need to survive in this world. And I know for me, the pacifiers are the TV, the phone, and of course, my computer. Without those things, time just stands still. So, my power's back on. I'm going to watch a movie and hang out, and I'll see you later. And this was my Edgewater Beach winter adventure, January 4th, 2018.